In primetime news this evening, government on alert as recession fears deepen. Failing grade, teachers outline suggestions to improve the second edition of the PEP exams. And we assess Jamaica's readiness for the Panama disease wiping out bananas worldwide.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview. What is the interview?
Yes, it's a preview, Janella. Now, countries the world over have been discussing fears of another recession. So how can companies in Jamaica prepare for a possible downturn in the economy? We have more on that in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. From business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening there?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, a former Jamaican champion jockey had a heartbreaking moment on the Canadian circuit on the weekend. We'll tell you all about it in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what more can be done to restore discipline on the nation's roads.
You can share comment. You were about to say something?
No, I want to hear these comments.
You can share comments online at facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Especially from the people who have road rage. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.